Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making ginger chips. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy snack. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Thank you. It will be needing our ginger. Because of time, I've already cut some into pieces. You can also grate it if that suits you better. Some lime, sugar, salt, and water. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our ginger chips. So you just cut it any shape of your choice, but I always want it to be like this. It's very easy to cook it and it's also nice. After it's done, it's very nice. I like this shape. You can see we are done with the cutting of our ginger, but this ginger is not just a ginger chip like a snack. You can also use it as a medicine. The cutting of our ginger, guys. Perfect. Then add water to the pan. Add the sugar and the lime juice, guys. You really need to squeeze your lime juice. Yes, half lemon juice. Lime juice is perfect. Then stir it around to dissolve. Just dissolve. A pinch of salt. And I'll go in with my ginger. Go ahead and stir it in. The flavors here is given, guys. So you cook this on a medium heat and gradually this will be frying gradually. And then it will turn up. All the water will go out from the ginger and it will be really dry. And then you get your ginger snack, ginger remedy for your cold and your flu. If you have stomach ache, because yeah, that's what I also use ginger for. Whenever I have trouble with my stomach, I eat ginger and it goes off. Trust me, so it's the perfect home remedy for everything, guys. Right? You can see that the water is almost out. It's doing very deep. So that's why you don't need to move it. You have to stand by it and continuously stirring it because you don't want your ginger chips to get burned. But just on a medium heat and gradually stir it, guys. Then put off the fire. It's ready. We are going to put it on our tray and then transfer it into the oven. And we are going to bake this on 150 degrees on a medium heat for 25 or 30 minutes. It depends on the type of oven. Go ahead and then spread everything on my mat. Everything on my mat like this, and then that is it. This we are going to bake it in the oven, and then we are good to go. I have a friend, when she does it this way, she lives in Ghana and there's a lot of sun, so she will just put it on her tray and put it on the roof of her kitchen. Because she's using the normal Ghanaian kitchen, she'll just climb on a ladder and put it on her kitchen or on her roof. So within 4 or 5 hours it will be dry, rehydrated, guys, and all the liquid will go out. I'm in Ghana at the moment, but the sun is not shining. I don't know why, and I don't have the space that is higher to put it. So I am going to do it in my oven, guys. Ginger chips is ready and it's going into the oven. It's ready to go to the oven. I've set my oven to the fan session, 150 degrees, but after I've put it, I'm going to reduce it to 120. And then go ahead and put it in the oven. And that is it. Guys, our ginger chips is doing perfect. Look at this. It looks so good. It's really drying. Very good. So we'll go ahead and give it more time. Our ginger chips is ready. It looks so good, guys. So this is a perfect snack for somebody who wants to lose weight, who wants to metabolism, Guys, our delicious ginger chips is ready. If you want to boost your immune system, if you have cold or flu, guys, this is a perfect snack for you. It boosts your metabolism, helps to get rid of your cold, your flu, and it's a perfect snack for somebody who wants to lose weight. Thank you so much for coming with me to make it. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Kiss, kiss, and